The next beat is called the simple Bila. In the Tamil Christian world, there are many songs which have what we consider the Bila beat. And this is the simplest of all of them, which you can use to play certain songs. Anyways, the next beat goes like this. Snare, hi-hat, bass, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat, bass. Now the technical way to count this is 1 and 2 and 3 E and. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 E and. 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 So it's 1 and 2 and 3 E and. But the best way to teach you is to simply clap. I'll do that slowly. One way that you could do it is go a chocolate, or a banana, a banana, a banana, a banana. Regardless, you're going to change into faster. It sounds like this. That is a simple Bila. You could guess there's going to be a harder one. Now the next one is called funky, and the reason why is because it's quite a funky beat. And it goes as such. Bass, bass, snare, hi-hat, hi-hat, bass, snare, hi-hat. Now this beat goes back into the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. After you've practiced that a lot, the beat should sound like this. This beat can be used for slightly funkier songs, songs that have a bit of a jump to them. For example, every move I make, I'm making you. Make me move, Jesus. Every breath I take, I breathe in you. Oh, baloo. The next beat is called the fast verse, and this is typically in Tamil songs. When you go to the verse, you play a faster beat, and this is what it would sound like. Bass, hi-hat, snare, bass, hi-hat, bass, snare, hi-hat. I'll do that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Typically this beat sounds like this faster. That's the fast verse. Normally it goes at this speed. The next one is called the 2/4. Now, when you have really fast songs in Tamil Christian music, you could use this in order to just amp it all up. And it's very simple, but very difficult to coordinate. Basically, it goes like this: bass, snare, bass, snare. Typically, you'll play this beat as such. I can't think of a song they could use it in right now, but I'm sure you get creative.